After 121 people were killed in a stampede in a satsang in UP's Hathras, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath today claimed that organizers of the prayer meet tried to cover up the incident, and also he has now ordered a judicial inquiry into this tragedy. Now, the Chief Minister's comments came right after he visited Hathras, where he also met the victims of the stampede. He then held a high-level meeting at his residence over the mishap.
इस प्रकार के आयोजन में जो सेवादार प्रशासन को अंदर घुसने नहीं देते, दुर्घटना होने के तत्काल बाद या दुर्घटना के दौरान प्रारंभिक रूप में इन्होंने पहले वहां पर इस मामले को दबाने का प्रयास किया, लेकिन जब उन्हें प्रशासन ने हॉस्पिटल ले जाने की कार्रवाई प्रारंभ की तो इनमें ज्यादातर सेवादार वहां से भाग गए।
Now, taking a jibe by the Samajwadi Party, Yogi also said that some people have a habit of politicizing everything and that everyone knows about the organizers' political relations.
देखिए, कुछ लोगों की एक प्रवृत्ति होती है कि इस प्रकार के दुखद और दर्दनाक घटनाओं में भी वे राजनीति ढूंढते हैं, और ऐसे लोगों की एक फितरत है कि चोरी भी और सीना चोरी भी। यह हर व्यक्ति जानता है कि सज्जन के फोटो किसके साथ में है, उनके राजनीतिक संबंध किन के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। तो स्वाभाविक रूप से आप लोगों ने इस बात को देखा होगा कि पिछले दिनों रैलियों के दौरान इस प्रकार की भगदड़ कहां मचती थी और कौन इसके पीछे थे, और मुझे लगता है उसकी तह में जाना आवश्यक है। जो लोग निर्दोष लोगों के जीवन के साथ खिलवाड़ करते हैं और उनकी जवाबदेही भी इसके साथ तय होगी।
Now, of course, the focus has shifted on this self-styled godman. UP police is currently conducting a manhunt to catch Narayan Sakar Hari alias Bole Baba, at whose religious congregation this particular tragedy struck. Now, meanwhile, an FIR has also been registered under multiple sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita over this particular mishap. It is also learned that permission was sought for 80,000 people. However, approximately 2.5 lakh devotees attended this satsang. Now, the complaint also claims that the personal security of the godmen also stopped the crowd when they entered the field, which resulted in the commotion. Allegedly, the organizers of the satsang destroyed all the evidence and also threw away the clothes and the shoes left behind by people in a field located behind the incident site.
आपने लोगों को यहाँ पे जान बचाई थी, अभी क्या माहौल है या उस समय क्या हालत थी?
सर, उस समय हालत क्या थी कि जब चीख पुकारों की सिवा कुछ नहीं दिख रहा था। वहाँ जो लोग वहाँ महिला थी, कुछ पुरुष और थे और कुछ बच्चे भी थे, जैसे कि 2 साल का 1 साल का बच्चा ऑन द स्पॉट वो पहले ही खत्म हो गए थे।
यही टेंट थे, यहीं पे टेंट लगे हुए थे?
जी, टेंट तो यही सारा लगा, पब्लिक सारी यहीं बैठी हुई थी। और जो श्रद्धालु लोग खत्म हुए थे वो रोड क्रॉस करते ही, जैसे कि बाबा यहाँ से प्रस्थान करे अपने घर के लिए, तैसे ही श्रद्धालु लोग उनके पीछे एकदम भागे हैं। कहते नहीं है कि बाबा की धूल लेने के लिए, बाबा के चरणों की धूल ले लें, तो उनका आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए भागे, लेकिन बाबा तो गाड़ी में बैठ के अपने प्रस्थान कर रहे थे घर के लिए। तैसे श्रद्धालु लोग वहाँ पे क्या था, कीचड़ था और बारिश का पहले पानी भी भरा हुआ था, और क्या नाम है उनके
दिखाओ कैसा पानी यहाँ पे। हाँ जी, बताइए।
ये सर देखिए, बारिश का ऑलरेडी पहले से भी पानी यहाँ भरा हुआ है। तो इसमें क्या ना, पब्लिक एकदम जैसे भागेगी तो रपटने का तो वैसे भी अंदाजा आप लगा सकते हैं कि किस तरीके का यहाँ का हालत है सर। और जैसे ही वहाँ पे रपटन थी तो अचानक एक गिरा, उसके ऊपर 2 गिरे, 2 के बाद 10 गिरे, 10 गिरने के बाद में 1500 लोग ऐसे गड्ढे में वहाँ पानी में गिरे और खेत में दब गए। और वहाँ पे बाइक भी खड़ी हुई थी, जैसे बाइक जैसे वहाँ गिरी, उनके ऊपर क्या नाम है लेडीजें गिरी, जेंट्स भी गिरे और बच्चे भी दब गए, उनके ऊपर गिरते ही गए। गिरने के बाद में क्या, वहाँ चीख पुकार शुरू हो गई।
Prashant sir, the accused Baba has not been named, sir. Will it come during the course of investigation, sir? So what is the status so far, Prashant sir? So what is the status, sir? Sir, questions are being raised, sir, that why he has not been named, sir.
We are investigating, and we'll let you know at proper opportunity.
Thank you. There you heard the DGP of UP has clearly told us that they are investigating, and that is a big statement coming out from the DGP of Uttar Pradesh.
While cops are investigating this particular matter, and also the Yogi government has ordered a judicial inquiry, my colleagues Prerit and Priyank now bring us these reports from the hospital where the victims of the Hathras tragedy were taken to.
It was an utter fiasco which happened at this Prathmik Swasth Kendra in Hathras, and after sending all those injured towards this particular hospital, the ambulances are leaving from the location. This is the hospital which was full with chaotic scene. This is the same hospital where we have seen that how multiple people were brought here, they were injured, and after the DGP and the Chief Secretary, who have already met the injured at this hospital, they have left for the location. It was very painful for those individuals who saw these scenes of the bodies lying here. It was all over the place, and now the injured have been moved from this location. Injured को यहाँ से shift कर दिया गया है.
हाँ, शिफ्ट किया गया.
कितने injured थे मैम?
96 थे यहाँ से. 96 थे. उनको हाथरस सबको शिफ्ट किया गया.
और कैजुअलिटी मैक्सिमम यहाँ यहीं पे आई थी.
जी, कैजुअलिटी मैक्सिमम यहीं पर थी. चोट नहीं, जो जितने डेड बॉडीज थी अधिकतर चोट के निशान किसी को नहीं थे. इंटरनल होंगे, एक्सटर्नल नहीं थे.
We are inside this ward where all these patients who were injured in this unfortunate incident have been, admitted. And as you can see, these are the women who are critically injured. This is a child who had also sustained serious injuries, and the doctors are treating him. It is very important for the doctors also to treat these patients at this moment, knowing the fact that 116 people have lost their life. They have been, senior citizens who are also injured. Amma, अभी आपको कहाँ चोट लगा है?
सारी देर टूटी पड़ी, दर्द हो रहा है.
भाग दौड़ मछली करी, वहाँ पे गिर गई. हाँ, अधीरा बांध आ गई थे, पीछे थे, कब आगे बांध दो, कब पीछे बांध दो. आदमी ये
कितने हजार लोग आए मामा? कितने हजार लोग? ढेर सारे लोग थे.
हाँ, 7-6 लाख आदमी हो.
लाखों आदमी थे.
हाँ.
Right, so this is of course the report that we are getting from the hospitals where of course the injured are being treated right now. But earlier today, Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav blamed the state government for the Hathras mishap. Meanwhile, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge also sought a legislation behind this particular blind faith.
जो हादसा हुआ है पूरी सरकार की लापरवाही है. ऐसा नहीं है कि उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार और प्रशासन के लोग न जानते हों ये बातें, कि जब कभी भी इस तरह के कार्यक्रम होते हैं बड़ी संख्या में लोग आकर के शामिल होते हैं. जो जानकारी सरकार के पास थी उसके बावजूद भी सरकार को जो इंतजाम करना चाहिए था वो इंतजाम नहीं किया है.
कि महाराष्ट्र में ऐसा एक कानून बना जो अंधश्रद्धा के खिलाफ, जो वही अंधश्रद्धा, वो पूरा मेरे को एक्ट का ये मान, अंधश्रद्धा के लिए कर्नाटक महाराष्ट्र में कानून बने हैं. उसी लाइन पर आप कानून बनवाइए और इसके ऊपर पाबंदी लगाइए कि ताकि जो सच्चे लोग हैं वो आने दो. नकली लोग आकर पैसे के लिए बहुत जगह वो आश्रम बनाकर लोगों को लूट रहे हैं, ऐसे मर जाए. तो मैं आपसे विनती करता हूँ, होम मिनिस्टर का स्टेटमेंट इसके ऊपर होना चाहिए.
Right, my colleague Adib joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Adib, 2 questions here. Number one, about the investigation. Yogi Adityanath has also spoken about a conspiracy at play here, even from the organizers. Help us understand what's the latest that we are tracking. Do we now know where this particular godman is? And also, secondly, help us understand the condition of those injured.
Ashish, first see that those injured in the Hathras tragedy are being given best treatment that is available in Hathras district as well as the neighboring districts of Hathras, which is Aligarh, Etah and Mathura. They are being given the best treatment. The Uttar Pradesh government and senior officials of Uttar Pradesh government are keeping a close watch on this. And as far as the investigation is concerned, Uttar Pradesh government has ordered a judicial probe in this, and a retired judge will be leading this investigation. A judicial probe will be conducted in this matter, what led to the stampede in Hathras. The self-styled godman Suraj Pal, he's on the run. The police team are investigating. Several teams are at his ashram in Mainpuri. They are from last night. They are in Mainpuri trying to find out what happened in Hathras. And of course, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself visited the Hathras. First, he met the victims, those who were admitted in the Hathras hospital, and then he went on to the accident site, the incident site, where this stampede took around the lives of 121 people. So Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself is closely monitoring the situation. The committee has been formed. The committee will be filing its initial report, and the initial report that has been filed by the SDM of Hathras clearly indicates that there were laxity on ground by the organizers of this religious event. They were the permission was given for around 80,000 people, but the number exceeded to at least around 2 lakh, and 2 lakh people were attending this religious event. And when this cell-style godman was leaving the campus, people were rushing towards his vehicle when this tragedy has taken place. But Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who was in Hathras today, said that whether it's a conspiracy or an accident, no one will be spared. The FIR has been launched against the organizers of this religious event, and action will be taken against everyone who is responsible for this tragedy.
Also, Adib, if you can just help us understand where exactly is this self-styled godman? He is, of course, some of the people were claiming that he was talking about him having special powers or something. Has he used any of that and disappeared after this entire tragedy?
Well, see, Ashish, the whereabouts of the self-styled godman is still not clear. The police are looking for him. A manhunt is on. There several teams have been formed. A special team, investigation team, has also been formed that has to file its report by today's evening to the Chief Minister's office. And they are saying that as soon as the police investigation will move on, the police will intensify its search operation, and then they will question. They will bring the self-styled godman Surajpal to question him. He will be questioned what happened during his religious event in Hathras.